My name is Kamala and I live in London, Ontario. I decided to make the change from shingles to metal roof because I had lots of problem with shingles in the past. Poor workmanship, leaky roof, and the list goes on. It went very well. When they said they were coming, they came, they brought the material, and when they said they were going to start, they started on time. They came every day on time. It went off very well. I think one day or 2 days they had a bit of wind, so they had to, so I mean, that's Mother Nature. Compliments from day one. That's how Maria decided to do hers. Because she said to me, as soon as this started, she said to me, am I allowed to say that? She said, when those guys are finished, you send them over to my place. Yeah. So it was a very positive experience. Everybody was paying compliments. They loved the color. Looks nice, you know, and put my mind at ease, and that's why I choose eco.